Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to find your Coinbase wallet address. So the first thing you need to know is I don't have a Coinbase wallet, a Coinbase account. So I show you in some screenshots, some photos, how you can do the process, and I explained to you this the most easier is possible. So the first step is entering your Coinbase app. So this is a Spanish account, so I translate to you the process. So in the first page of the app, you need to go to the down right corner. In the bottom of recibir, this is receive in English, you pick here. And after that, you need to go to this site where set dirección, this is in English is direction, and you need to pick here in copiar. In English is copy. You need to pick here in copiar, in copy, and you got the direction of your wallet, and you can share this direction if you want the people send to you money, send to you cryptocurrency, send to you money of like dollar, euro. This is the direction of your wallet for the deposits. So this is the tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.